Time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. First of all, I'm on 15-minute time frame. So this started a downtrend right from here, and it sold till it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from here, even though it has been playing around there for a while. So I'm expecting it to switch into an uptrend. So I'm putting an activation order around here, and of course the stop loss around there. Then we have some highlighted TPs for us right here. So I'm actually expecting more of a buying opportunity on this particular asset, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it's not going to buy. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999, and of course this was on downtrend for a while, but right now it has gotten to a support zone, which is this. It has not been able to break out from there. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it should buy. Okay, so right now it has switched into an uptrend, so I'm expecting it to give us more buying opportunity right from there. So we can target some highlighted TPs right here. Okay, this should be the first one, then the second one should be around there, then the third one probably, and of course the fourth one. Okay, so that is it. These are some of the highlighted TPs which you can take advantage of. Okay, so this is also going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The only reason why it will not buy is if it's actually break out below the support zone. So now let's check out PayNext 999. PayNext 999 had been on downtrend right from here, and it has been selling since then, guys. It has been selling since then, so it's still on downtrend. It just need to break out from here to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be PayNext 999. So guys, this is PayNext 999, and of course these actually got to the support zone. Remember, this it got there around there, and it bought till it got to this region. It has gotten there again, so we are expecting more buying opportunity. It has activated our entry point. Right here is the stop loss. It has even achieved our first TP, so we are expecting to achieve the rest of the TPs. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity, selling opportunity. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. So guys, this is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend right from the support zone, even though it has just got into a resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will switch back into a downtrend. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me kindly subscribe to this channel right away, and of course and also drop your question in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Thank you and God bless you.